Alright, this is the FMS F16 70mm 4S 2600 stock. Had it for about a year now. Flies are fun. Let's go. I'm at Markham Park. Very light wind from that direction. Here we go. Ready? Loaded. That was really nice. Fun playing. Short battery time. Alright, bring it for a landing. Alright, it's dead. See if I can make it before the battery dies. And not. So post damage report, not bad at all. Kind of saved it at the end. A little gas tank on the side had come off before, so that's an easy glue on. And everything else was good. Oh, I got a little crack here. I can fix that. That's why you can't belly land these things. Other than that, looks okay. See here. The services are good. Alright, well hey, thanks for watching. Can't have a perfect landing every time. I kind of let the battery go a little too long that time. All's fun. Great hobby. Keep watching, subscribe, and like and comments. Thanks a lot. Thumbs up. Alright, so I just glued everything back in the field. Came out pretty good. Nice and tight. Let's see if I can get on the camera. Kind of just broke right there. It's all CA glued there, and also had a little tear right here. With that, I CA glued the little tear right there. You can barely even see it. Oh, there it is. So you can kind of see it. Take that back. It's all glued and ready to go. Up to another flight.